Am I too addictive? I think I am.
Back to being self-obsessed.
Guys, today is a very auspicious day. Rhythm has gifted me lactose-free tolerant milk. Lactose-free tolerant milk? Lactose-free milk. Nibbi's like me can now drink milk. But I'm still going to poop, I know, because I have that placebo effect that every time I drink milk, I have to go and poop.
You know, you don't have to use words just because you know that I have used those words.
I like to put those words randomly in my statement where people think that my vocabulary is nice for at least 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, I'm going to fumble and my English is going to be top class. Look at this rich fox drinking lemon tea. Aren't you rich?
This is a joke, okay? This is a joke. I am not rich. This is like a bit going on in a vlog like that I am rich just because I have a fucking iPhone.
How many flavors have you tried, by the way? People like us, we only drink water, so we don't know.
Have you tried flavored water? It's really beautiful.
Okay, can buy me one, please. Crystallized water, room temperature.
Crystallized water, room temperature. What is room temperature?
A common temperature within the room.
What is the room temperature?
You don't have to make me feel dumb. People already know. I think it's time for me to give up on coffee. My sensitive intestines cannot take the caffeine. It gets too much. So I think I'm going to quit it and shift it to green tea. Drinking decaf would be an insult. Buying decaf would be a little out of budget. I've been awake since 5 o'clock and it's 11 right now. I went for a run, did some drawing, pooped, took bath, brushed my teeth, ate breakfast, made breakfast. Now I have to go down. I feel like my day is already done. I have to survive without coffee. I'm a very sensitive soul. Taking criticism and negative comments is a very... why do I keep forgetting words? It's a very what? I already said I'm sensitive. I said my vlogs are filling the blanks. I just get awkward when I have to do a sit down video and talk to you guys. I don't know how to start, but later I get too comfortable and start talking random shit. But today we're going to talk about why I don't wear. Wow, I fucked up in the title. Why I don't apply makeup, or why I don't wear makeup, or why I don't apply makeup. This is the sole reason I want to move out, because of so many distractions and not having a personal room. People are so judgmental at my house. So frustrating. The brown parents' taunts will never end. I even forgot the topic why I wanted to talk about all the stuff, and I had to change and then come on terrace and look some decent person. Because if I come wearing the outfit which I was wearing at my house, ooh la la, and I want to scream, but there are people around me. Or trust me, I'm going to breathe. Instead of screaming, I'm going to breathe, calm myself down, and it's okay, it's okay. Things are going to change. But today's topic is why I don't apply makeup. There is no main reason. Mainly I'm a noob and I don't get the art of makeup, the colors. It's too confusing for me, and I think makeup is for people who understand and have patience. My friend Swastika, when she applies makeup to me, she takes 30 minutes and I cannot sit at one place. And I was always comfortable with my skin and the spots. I never knew that you're supposed to hide it, and hide it so that you look good. There are a lot of hair on my body. Why do I get so distracted? Why can I stay on one topic and continue the one statement? I cannot help it. I have ADHD. ADHD kids are random and they cannot stay on one. See, imagine I cannot focus at one sentence or a statement. Imagine me doing a makeup and doing a eyeshadow and being like, oh my god, I'm so bored, I'm going to leave the makeup like that. Good morning. I'm talking to you guys as if I'm live. I'm updating you each and everything. I know, I said I'm going to quit coffee. But this morning, the next morning when I woke up, I'm like, what exciting thing do I have to do if I'm not going to drink coffee? Yesterday was an impulsive decision when I decided to give up on coffee. I don't get it how people wake up in the morning and don't drink any beverage. Last time when I tried to quit coffee, I stopped it completely, and then after 2 to 3 days, I started having severe headaches, and I had to go to visit my doctor, saying that I have serious headaches. My friends, all my friends told me, "Are you dumb to stop it directly? You are supposed to stop it gradually, one by one day." So we'll try. Sometimes when you don't eat breakfast, you just drink coffee and get out of the house. If you guys are wondering who this girl is on coffee mug, it's me, myself. I'm self-obsessed. My sport boy actually gifted this mug on my birthday. I sound so sleepy because I just woke up. I brushed my teeth. I don't like it when people drink. I drink water before. Why do I give you guys so much information or detail? Yeah, my family hates it. They tell me, why do you want to share everything on camera? I'll show them when I get a good amount of numbers on my YouTube channel. These are the people, you guys are right now, who watch everything. So stupid. I'm giving you all detail to that as if I like it. I like to share everything. I like to share everything. Raghav, I am asking, am I a good girl? I am a good girl. Guys, stop judging me to only hang out with Rhythm all the time.
There's no one available apart from me. Literally nobody available. It is not even like a choice anymore. We don't even have a choice anymore. We cannot hang out with each other.
The fact that I was uploading 2 vlogs per week and now it's 1 vlog 2 weeks. 1 vlog in 2 weeks. I feel bad. I really hate the fact that I have made the standard so far.
Standard that we have set at 1000 subs.
Why? Why have we done it?
It's almost equal to the standard that people on YouTube have at like 100k or 400k. I am not boasting over you. This is not me showing off. This is an actual analysis that we have done.
Really, the past 50 vlogs I think are one of the best
past
vlogs.
50 vlogs. Don't count any of the vlogs earlier. They were cringe.
Yeah, they were cringe. Guys, please bear with me. Once I have my own car, I'll put 4 videos per day and Rhythm will edit them.
4 videos per day.
You know I can make those videos.
You know I am building a PC for myself and planning to do my own stuff.
What is that?
What is that? Fucking bitch.
I'm a boss bitch, not
You're
bitch. Boss always pays their employees. Rhythm, we are partner. You work with me, not for me.
While shooting, not for the editing. The editing work I do, I need the money for that.
Why do you need? You have my love. We are friends.
Stay away.
We are friends.
Stay away.
Ending the vlog right here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment something, whatever you feel like, because that is how YouTube will notice our community and our vlogs, and will try to promote more the engagement, more the views. Before ending the vlog, I would like to give shout out to Gauri. Thank you, girl, for watching all the vlogs. Also, if you guys want to be in the shout out, all you have to do is comment on my recent Instagram pictures and you can be in the shout out. That's all. So easy. Bye bye. Love you all. Stay safe. Breathe, please. I'm going to stay sane and remind myself that if you don't want to poop twice or thrice in a day, you need to stop the toxic thing. Coffee is like the toxic thing in my life right now. I know that whenever I drink coffee, I have to go and poop.